In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send images from Google Drive to Airtable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up an attachment field in Airtable and pull images straight from your Google Drive into your records. Start by opening Airtable in your browser and signing in if needed. From your workspace, open the base where you want these images to live. This will take you to your table, which is where we'll add a place for the files to go. Along the far right of your table's columns, click the plus sign to add a new field. In the field type search, type attachment. This is the special field that stores files like images, PDFs, and more. Select attachment and then create the field. You can keep the default name or rename it to something like images later. What matters is that it's an attachment field, so Airtable knows to handle files correctly. Now, in any row where you want to add an image, look for the new attachment cell and click the little paperclip icon. That opens the uploader with several sources. Choose Google Drive. If this is your first time connecting Drive, you'll be prompted to select an account. Pick the account you use for your files. If your account isn't listed, connect a new Google Drive account and follow the on-screen authorization to give Airtable access. Once your account appears, click it to continue. Next, select from Google Drive. This opens the familiar Google Drive picker where you can browse your folders, recent files, or use search to find the exact images you need. Navigate to the correct folder, click the image or images you want to bring in, and then confirm by clicking Select. If you choose multiple items, Airtable will queue them all at once. Back in Airtable's uploader, click Upload Files to start the import. You'll see progress indicators as each image is brought in. When it finishes, thumbnails will appear right in the attachment cell, and you can click any thumbnail to preview the full image. If you ever need to add more images to that same record, repeat the paperclip step and pick additional files from Drive. A few quick tips as you work. Using an attachment field keeps your table organized and makes your images easy to preview without leaving Airtable. Selecting from Google Drive helps you avoid downloading and re-uploading files manually, saving time and preserving file names. And if you collaborate with a team, make sure everyone who needs to select files has access to the right Drive folders. That's it. You've sent images from Google Drive straight into Airtable, ready to use in your base.